Hi and welcome to Heal My Hemorrhoids. In this video you will learn how hemorrhoids can cause gas and bloating, what tips and tricks to use if you suffer from gas and bloating and hemorrhoids. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. People that have hemorrhoids or piles have sometimes difficulty passing gas and therefore can feel bloated. Bloating and gas, to some degree, are normal. If bloating and gas are experienced in excess, it may be some bigger cause behind. That may be a reason for serious digestive or intestinal diseases. Hemorrhoids can cause gas and bloat to some extent. There can be changes in the bowel habits when suffering from hemorrhoids. This can lead to bloating, gas, and abdominal pain. Some people may feel that much bloating or gas can be a reason for hemorrhoids. But if the passing of gas is painful, this can be a symptom of anal fissure, hemorrhoids or digestive complications, or just some irritations in or around the anal area. If you are experiencing excessive bloating or gas and you feel pain when passing gas, you may want to see a doctor as the symptoms might be of colon cancer. Also, if you see blood in your stool for a longer period of time, it's good to consult a doctor. It's not yet medically proven that excessive gas and bloating are a result of hemorrhoids. Can hemorrhoids cause gas and bloating? Constipation that causes food to remain for a long time. This causes fermentation in food, and then gas and bloating, and constipation may cause hemorrhoids and anal fissures, meaning that constipation is the factor that links these symptoms, as hemorrhoids and fissures do not cause gas, and what is associated with them from constipation can be the cause of gas and bloating. Hemorrhoids cause gas and bloating has not been medically proven yet. The best foods to eat if you have hemorrhoids. Individuals with hemorrhoids should soften their stools by increasing the fiber in their diets, as it is recommended to use 20 to 30 grams of fiber per day. Also, fiber can be obtained through supplements that are sold in pharmacies, such as selenium and calcium polycarbophil, and also by eating fresh and dried fruits, vegetables, and grains. As for stomach gas and bloating, there are many reasons for increasing it in the abdomen. If you can reduce these gases in the abdomen by identifying the causes, this saves you from these gas and bloating. The reasons are: eat fast and greedily without chewing. This helps the entry of large amounts of air with food. Soft drinks contain carbon dioxide, and these gases are released and collect in the stomach. Either we excrete them as a burp, or they go down to the intestine. Some foods, such as milk and its derivatives, cause an increase in the formation of gases, especially for people who complain of a lack of yeast for digesting milk, and patients notice pain, diarrhea, and gases whenever they drink milk, and this thing does not happen with eating yogurt, milk. Legumes, cabbage, cauliflower, radishes, and turnips are gas-generating foods. Using the hookah. It introduces a large amount of smoke or gases into the abdomen, and chewing gum, and smoking are among the factors that increase the process of swallowing air. What are hemorrhoids? Hemorrhoids are very common diseases, and they appear in the form of itching, bleeding, and discomfort in the anal area, which is a swelling of the veins of the anus and the lower part of the rectum, and it occurs as a result of increased pressure inside the abdominal cavity and pelvis due to constipation. Sometimes, prolapsed hemorrhoids can become very swollen, and then can interfere with your bowel movements. Hemorrhoids are a common condition that cannot be described as a human disease, and for the period in which a person suffers from hemorrhoids, at the age of 50, and its accompanying symptoms include scratching, discomfort, and bleeding. All of these are signs that are a sign of a person having hemorrhoids. There are many effective treatment options, and all of them are available, and home treatment can be provided by following a new healthy lifestyle. For external and internal hemorrhoids are located inside the rectum, and you cannot see or feel them, and its symptoms are often bleeding due to damage to the surface of the hemorrhoid during defecation, and usually, there is no swelling, itching, or diverting of the anus, unless the pressure inside the passage increased and led to its emergence through the opening anal. External hemorrhoids are found under the skin around the anus, and when they are irritated, they cause bleeding or itching, and sometimes, clotting may occur, leading to severe pain, swelling, and inflammation. External hemorrhoids are located under the skin surrounding the anus and appear as lumps of blood that swell, cause itching and severe pain, and reach the point of bleeding. Sometimes these blood clots, which are called hemorrhoids, become clotted and turn their color blue, and there is no doubt that they are frightening, especially if they become bleeding. However, if these thrombosed hemorrhoids do not turn into a clot, they will disappear within 2 weeks. Hemorrhoid symptoms. The most common symptom of hemorrhoids is bleeding, as the patient may notice bright red blood on the outside of the stool or the toilet paper or dripping into the toilet, in addition to several symptoms. Itching and irritation in the anal area. Pain and discomfort. Bleeding. Feeling that the stomach is empty. Swelling and swelling around the anus. Treatment of hemorrhoids with medicinal herbs. How long do hemorrhoids take to heal? Sometimes small hemorrhoids can disappear within a few days on their own, but for many people, hemorrhoids remain for a long time, especially if the patient is more than 50 years old. But if treatment is received from the beginning of the discovery of the disease, the patient may recover from it within months. Do not be surprised if you recover from the disease and come back to you after a short period, because this is a common thing. How do foods affect hemorrhoids? Diet is believed to have a great effect in causing and preventing hemorrhoids. People who consistently follow a diet rich in fiber are less likely to develop hemorrhoids, while those who prefer a diet rich in processed foods have a higher risk of developing hemorrhoids. A low-fiber diet can also cause you to become constipated, which may contribute to hemorrhoids. Treatment of hemorrhoids with medicinal herbs. Are you considering home remedies for hemorrhoids instead of going to the doctor? So here is a group of medicinal herbs that can help in relieving hemorrhoids pain and get rid of them because they contain substances that protect and strengthen blood vessels. Witch hazel, Hamamelis. This herb helps to form a protective layer for tissues and blood vessels, as well as it contains anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. How to use. You can buy this plant extract from perfumery stores in the form of a herb that you drink after boiling with water, or in the form of a cream to spread over hemorrhoids. Chamomile. There is no doubt that chamomile is one of the best herbs that have properties that calm nerves and pains, and that certainly includes hemorrhoids. How to use. Soak 2 tablespoons of chamomile in water and drink from it 2 cups daily, or by purchasing chamomile cream from perfumery stores to apply to hemorrhoids. Marigold. The marigold plant, or amaranth as it is also called, is one of the best plants to help treat hemorrhoids due to its anti-inflammatory, pain-relieving, and sterile properties. How to use. It is intended for external use only, so soak a quantity of amaranth in boiling water, then let it cool down and use it by compresses. Pomegranate. Pomegranate peel contains many properties that help in strengthening blood vessels and thus healing hemorrhoids. How to use. Put an amount of pomegranate peel or powder in boiling water and drink from it a cup daily, or you can use the water extracted from it to make compresses. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Hope the video was helpful.